Hi, Grandma Joy here. Would you like to call like a go-away bird? Go-away birds are gray. They're often called gray go-away birds. And it sounds when they're calling as if they're telling you to go away. So they sound like, away, away. So think about saying, go away, go away. And they don't sound too pleased at the end of the away. So you could try that and then just sort of lose the lettering overall. So go away, away, away. Gray go-away birds are medium-sized birds with a short wingspan, so they don't fly very smoothly, though they can fly long distances. And they prefer being on fruit trees and jumping from branch to branch or running along the branches. They're quite good at that. And their big thing is to warn other birds and to express their displeasure, perhaps, of something that they might not like around them. So that's why they sometimes say what seems, go away, go away, go away, go away, away. And they can sound a bit grumpy, but they're bold. You're not going to stop them from talking and telling you to go away, or some predator like a dog or a cat that might be disturbing them. They can say, go away, go away. So think about that. Isn't that fun? To think about the gray go-away birds that really do want other things to go away. So that's what they say. Go away! Go away! Go away! I'll see you next time. Grandma Joy. Bye-bye.